Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start right away by confirming basics: your Huawei model, MUI version, and that the SIM is active with data. Once done, make sure mobile data is on and airplane mode is off. This ensures the phone shows carrier features. Now open Settings, go to Mobile Network or Mobile Data. You want the Enhanced LTE or VoLTE LTE option. Why? Because disabling VoLTE LTE at the system level prevents the phone from preferring LTE for voice. This is faster and safer than guessing. You now perform the core action. Find enhanced 4G LTE services, VoLTE LTE calls, or HD voice entry and switch it off. If the option is nested, open SIM card settings or carrier services within settings and look there. Some MUI builds hide the toggle. In that case, disable the carrier-specific enhancement option. Once toggled, restart the phone so the network re-registers without VoLTE LTE. Doing this changes how voice calls are routed and can affect call quality briefly. As you finish by testing a call, watch the status bar for the LTE to 3G/2G handover and listen for any audio issues. If VoLTE LTE persists, clear network settings in System right arrow reset or install any pending carrier profile updates. Make sure your SIM isn't forcing VoLTE LTE via carrier provisioning. If problems continue, contact your carrier. They can remove provisioning on their side. Troubleshooting tip: if calls drop after disabling VoLTE LTE, re-enable it temporarily, update APN and firmware, then try disabling again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.